So today I'm going to quickly show you how to sell your stock on Stash. So we're going to load up the app right here in real time so you can follow along. And right now we are on the home page of Stash. So you can see towards the bottom left hand side where it says home. And this is generally what you're going to see first and foremost. So what we want to do is click on the invest button at the very bottom, kind of towards the right hand side over there. So we're going to click on invest and it's going to take us to this area, and we're currently under the personal tab for the invest. There are other options, so if you have retirement or custodial, you can go through those as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and scroll around here, and you're going to see where it says top holdings. That's actually where I have my holdings right now, which is with Apple. So if I click on here, it's going to take me to the actual page for Apple, and you're going to see that I currently have $20.63 in here, and then I have 0.153 shares. So what I can do is you can see that little buy/sell section right over there. Because I already own it, I could choose to buy or sell. We're going to go ahead and click on that option, and then it's going to have an option right there for sell by itself. So we're going to click right over here. We're going to go here, and it's going to ask you, why are you selling? Now, you do have to answer for some odd reason, to be honest. If you click that top right button, it is going to close it back off. So go ahead and choose an option. I don't really think it really means much. For the most part, I think it's just kind of trying to maybe stop you from doing that. So I'm just going to click on other and hit continue right over here. And it's going to ask me how much would I like to sell. So I'm going to go ahead and put the full total that I have here. You don't have to actually sell the whole stock if you don't want to. Maybe you just want to take a little bit out. You can do that as well. So I did $20.63. We're going to go ahead and click on continue. And it's just confirming the sale. And it says, I understand that the sale of the investment can take 2 business days to complete from when the shares are sold. That's a long time, to be honest. But we're going to go ahead and click on that right there and go ahead and sell the $20 in Apple. And it's going through the initial sell order, and it's saying that it is now scheduled. So it does take some time for it to go through. It's not an instantaneous situation, so just keep that in mind. So just because you go ahead and sell it, it says right over here that my sale will actually take 2 business days to be able to go through. So we're gonna go ahead and click on done over here, and then right there we are now through the process of going through and selling, and then within a couple days it will be in your account. Now I want you to keep on learning more with Stash. If you want to learn how to withdraw your money from the app, check out my video right over here to keep on learning more. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.